Hi, my name is Camilo Andrés Rojas. My number of group is 952. I have 20 years old. My program academy is technology in civil work management and construction. I am from Bogota. I live my wife and my son. I like music and eating out. My summer this year was amazing. I never took to live this Spain and had and go. I stayed my friend's house downtown. The most exciting part was that my friend's mother made pasta, one of my favorite foods. We also did some nice walks while the towns of city. I would a bit sunburned on the beach, but otherwise enjoy the cool weather, food and beautiful scenery. He was going to the forest. He had never been to Pinurins, and he was excited to explore the mountains. There I did a couple of nice walks along the rivers and also climbed a couple of mountains. It was usually some drunk and loud waving it ruined likely. I hope I can do this another time.